me. Today I'm gonna make some broccoli fish dish for my family. So join me, cook with me. I hope your day is going well. I'm doing okay. So let's make this healthy broccoli dish. We love some broccoli. I love broccoli, and I like to cook it in such a way that it's a little healthy, not overcooked. As you know, it's full of fiber, barely no fats, and tiny carbohydrates in it. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. That's it. It's now broccoli florets. That's the part I like to cook with. If you like broccoli, let me know in the comment section. Tell me what kind of dish you cook with broccoli or the way you cook it. Alright, I'm gonna cut some onions. Basically, I'm gonna cut these onions right by the fish because I'm gonna stir fry it. How's your day going? You know, some days dishes kind of makes your mood better, depending. You cook what's your favorite meal, you're gonna have a very, very good mood in that day. So, I love fish, I love broccoli. There you go. The mood is elevating. So, alright, let's start our dish. Our fish and broccoli dish. So, we're gonna put some avocado oil in the pot. We don't want the oil to burn, so we're gonna start really frying. I usually put a little bit of salt. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I usually put Himalayan salt. You can see the pink salt. Onions. That's the fish. Now we're using catfish. Cut into chunks. Said you like catfish or you like broccoli? What dishes do you make this and how do you make them? What is your favorite dish with broccoli and fish? Actually, any kind of fish. This is smelling so good. My family is gonna eat good. They're gonna eat good. Healthy and good. Gonna let these cook for about 10-15 minutes. The fish is still kind of pink. We're gonna add a little bit of the adobo and black pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more so it does not burn, and then let it cook for about 10 more minutes to make sure it's tender. Now the fish is done. I'm gonna go ahead and add our broccoli. Look at my little cupboard. How cute is it? these recipes. They are healthy recipes. If you like broccoli, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to cook a very healthy meal for my family. So thank you for joining me in making it possible. Again, please subscribe. The subscription button is on the screen on your bottom left hand corner of the screen. I made it easy for you to subscribe. For those who are new on YouTube, it doesn't really cost you anything to subscribe. So please subscribe so you'll be click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you coming. Please come back. Check out my playlist. There are several wonderful videos on my playlist. Just check it out, watch and share. Thank you. So we're gonna let this cook for just about 3 minutes. I don't want the broccoli to really cook so much. Food is pretty much done. It is done. This is what it looks like. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscription button, click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching again. This is our end product of the food that we cooked. Catfish with broccoli. Very healthy. If you're somebody who is trying to lose weight, this is very good. If you're just needing to just lead a healthy life, this is just perfect. So that's my way of life now. That's the way I cook for my family now. And this is not only that this is healthy, this is very, very delicious. With the catfish, you can't resist it. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.